Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we're going to announce the winners of the ACD watch face and also KSR. Now we want to thank the developers in the door for the donation of these watch faces on the channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you. And I also want to thank the people who participated in the giveaway as well with the comments. Just continue to comment. We got more watch faces coming up. If you didn't get your name called, it will get called soon. Just continue to comment on every single video. Okay, now we're going to call out the names. We're going to get you in, we're going to get you out, and we're going to start off with the ACD watch face, which was called Synergy. I'm telling you, ACD lit this one up. He raised the bar really high with this one. Definitely proud of him. Want to encourage him to continue to do what he's doing. I love your work, ACD. Now let's go ahead, let's call out the names of the people who won, and congratulations to everyone in advance. All right, so we're gonna start off with the UK. We got David Talbert. We also got Richie, you know who you are. We got Hamza. Congratulations, you guys. For the US, we got Usman. We got Vince. Congratulations, Vince. And also Super Hoffman. Congratulations. We also got for Canada, we got Ronnie. I'm not gonna call out your last name. We got Steve. We got Trap Shooter. Congratulations, you guys. Jam from Denmark, congratulations to you. You are a winner once again. And we also got for the KSR watch face, which was Track King. And there's a few different colors. You'll be surprised as to the one you get when you receive it. I don't know which one I'm giving to which, but again, congratulations in advance. Now, Jackie, congratulations, Jackie. We got OZ Bell. He's the winner, and we also got William Pierce. So congratulations, you guys. Thank you for the love and the support on the channel. Continue to comment. We got more giveaways coming up, more watch face reviews, more tech reviews. And with that being said, people, we told you we we're going to let you get out of here. Again, congratulations. Hit the like button on the way out if you could. Subscribe to the channel. And with that, people, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care. Peace.